How to use the split and cut tools in CapCut. In CapCut, you can easily use split and cut tools if you want to split your video into a portion. So let's say I have this video right here. If I click on the split tool, what that is going to do is cut this into two separate videos. That way, if I wanted to add a transition into the middle of these videos, I could. Or how you cut a video. So to cut a video or to cut a portion off, there are two ways you can do it. You can take the little white portions on the sides of these videos and just scoot them in. That is going to reduce the time of that video. Or you can easily click on this portion and click delete.